Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I explore the potential of earning extra money or starting a new career in the field of AI by gaining a certification in AI. Now is the time to catch the wave. Don't hesitate because it's evolving rapidly. It's the people who are quick to capitalize on this fast developing technology who will reap the biggest rewards. Every day, AI is reshaping industries from healthcare to finance, from entertainment to transport. You might have noticed how generative AI, like the kind that powers chatbots or recommendation engines, is becoming more and more prevalent. We're in the middle of an AI revolution, and there's a growing demand for specialists, implementers, and trainers in this field. Now is the perfect time to get trained and certified. Companies around the world are looking for people who understand AI and can apply it to solve real-world problems. It's not just about creating algorithms, it's about understanding how AI can be used to enhance business operations, improve customer experiences, and drive innovation. Whether you're looking to change careers, advance in your current job, or simply expand your knowledge, an AI certification can open doors you never imagined. So where do you start? Let's break it down into manageable steps. First, it's important to choose the right certification for your goals. So far, there aren't that many that are specifically designed for generative AI, but there are many that are introductions into the general principles and prompt engineering. So consider what you want to achieve. Do you want to develop AI solutions, manage AI projects, or understand AI from a business perspective? And the good news is that you don't need a background in computer science, programming, or any other deep IT skills to get started. Many certification programs are designed for beginners and start with the basics. If you're more interested in the application of AI rather than the technical side, you can pursue certifications focused on these uses of generative AI. These can prepare you to become a consultant or trainer, helping businesses and individuals understand and implement AI solutions. Once you have a clear goal, look for certifications that align with it. Some well-known certifications come from institutions like Coursera, EDX, and Udacity, which offer courses in collaboration with top universities and tech companies. For those already in tech, certifications from companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft can add significant value to your resume. I've completed some of the ones on Coursera and I've added links to them in the description below this video. They're a good introduction and well worth the small investment of time and money. Gaining a certification in AI typically involves a mix of theoretical knowledge in the course itself and practical skills that you can develop by using generative AI tools of your own choosing. You'll learn about machine learning algorithms, data analysis, neural networks, and more. AI is a field that rewards curiosity and continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and advancements by following AI news, reading research papers, and participating in webinars and workshops. The AI community is vibrant and active, with many resources available to help you stay informed and connected. If you're ready to take the next step, look for reputable AI certification programs that fit your goals and start your learning journey today. Investing in AI certification can be one of the best decisions you make for your career. Once you've selected a certification, the next step is to commit to a study plan. Here are a few tips to keep you on track. Set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve each week and set specific, measurable goals. Create a study schedule. Allocate regular time slots for studying and stick to them. Consistency is key. Utilize resources. Make use of all available resources, including online forums, study groups, and additional reading materials. Hands-on practice. Engage in practical projects and exercises to apply what you've learned. Not only does this solidify your knowledge, but it also builds a portfolio of work. Stay curious. Keep up to date with the latest developments in AI by following industry news, joining webinars, and participating in relevant workshops. Now let's address another common question: what career paths can AI certification open up for you? The possibilities are vast. With AI skills, you could become a machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI consultant, or even a trainer who helps others understand and implement AI technologies. Companies in virtually every industry, from tech giants like Google and Amazon to healthcare providers and financial institutions, are seeking AI expertise. If you're more inclined towards teaching and sharing knowledge, becoming an AI trainer could be an excellent path. With the increasing need for AI literacy across various sectors, AI trainers are in high demand to educate and empower teams to leverage AI effectively. Gaining an AI certification is not just about the credential, it's about the journey of learning, growing, and becoming part of a transformative field. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to deepen your existing knowledge, there's a place for you in the AI revolution. I hope this video has inspired you to take the first steps towards an exciting and rewarding career in AI. What specific AI projects are you interested in working on? Have you identified any particular industries where you see AI making a significant impact? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and help you on your journey. Remember to like this video if you found it useful, subscribe to the channel for more content on AI and technology, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about new videos. Your path to AI expertise starts here, and I'm excited to see where it takes you. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, stay curious and keep learning.